What up, you amazing hackers? It's your boy, the humble hacker from Chi-Town, Shy Ronin, back with another walkthrough. And today, we hitting up Algernon. And no, my name is not Charlie. From the Offensive Security Proving Grounds. Now, this is a Windows machine, so we're going to have some fun with this one. Alright, now, as always, what we start with was with our Nmap scan. So we're going to go Nmap, and we can go with our dasher P dasher. With this particular IP, let that run. Now, if you want to stay within the top 1000, we can simply just use our regular SC for safe scripts. Once I capitalize that thing, SV, numerate all versions, OA, Algernon, and then plop that actually dash capital A for our OS detection and trace route. Throw that IP back there, and then we hit enter. Now, as always, I already ran it, so let's go see what we got. We'll just let this keep running and stewing in its own filth. So let's go ahead and pull up this Algernon file here from Nmap, and let's see what we got. We got port 21, which is Microsoft's file transfer protocol. We got port 80 open. We got a 135, 139, and 445. So SMB is open, and we got 998 here. Looks like that's IIS as well. All right, so we're going to start from the top down. We're going to open up a new tab first. Then, let's tackle our port 21. So we're going to do this a little bit different. We're going to be a little bit more methodical on this one here. What I want to do, split this vertically. And then let's see our Nmap scripting engine. Once I know how to type this freaking thing correctly, Nmap scripts, and we're going to be using the vulners script right here. So let's check it out. We got FTP, right? Where we at? Right here. So let's do our Nmap, specify our port 21, enumerate that version. Call the NSE, NSE, and now I just totally forgot how to spell script. Damn it! Hold up. There we go. All right, cool. FTP-star. And let's go and plippity plop this IP right hibbity here. Hit that right there for shizzle. Looks like you ain't got nizzle up in this pizzle dizzle. Jizzle. Alright. Let's continue with our next port 80. So with this one, we're most likely going to do some directory bussa right here. Let's go ahead, let's have this one set as our go buster. Split this one in half and do the or whatever the hell they call this. Fuzz faster, you beep. All right, so now let's take this one. What two ports do we have open on that joint? 80 and 8. All right, so let's go on over here, specify the directory bus module, specify a word list, root -q for shut the f up, -u, put in our address, and let's put the thread to 250. Now while that does that, let's go to and get this cooking. Specify our word list. And for here, we have our fuzz for our placement for where this word list right here is going to be putting in all the files from the directory busted. And let's make it nice and purty looking with its purty colors and mouth. Let's see what this. Oh hell no! No! Totally forgot. We gotta go do a different port in this one. We gotta go in an 8 port. So let's see what you got. Now, while that's going, let us do one thing as a backup. Use our Nicto for our port 80 and our 8. I should. Never mind. I'm not going to do that. So let's have Nicto scan this. Alright. So here we're getting a discovered path right here. And like I say in a lot of the talks that I'm with and that I'm in with the XSS Rat, I like to use Nicto as emergency break open glass directory busters. So it'll find directory paths that we might not be able to find from regular directory busting. Like as you see here, interface root. Let's see if we can find that in here. Interface root. Interface. So here we got interface right here. So found it along with these other paths right here. This didn't find, but this found it, but it didn't find this included with it. So that's why I use Nicto as a backup. Why are you not running? That's why I use this one as a backup, just to see if it'll find a directory path that something else couldn't find at the moment. All right. So next up, what is our next port? That's probably gonna be the SMB, yo. So let's go and see what's up with that dim mmap scripts again. And let's go ahead and grep for our SMB. We have our SMB scripts right here, right? So in map port script SMB vuln start. So this way everything that is from here down is going to get scanned for vulnerabilities there. So let's go hit enter. Alright. So what we got? We got nothing! Alright. So did we enumerate that port 9? Let's see what's up. Let's actually just check out what that has in it first. So we're brought to interface root, right? Just like what we saw up in Nicto. And look at this. Welcome to Smarter Mail. Okay, so looks like this is the name of the application this is using. Next step, do a little bit of source code digging, and let's see what we can find up in here. Let's see what we can see if we could find version. There we go. That's what happens when you slow stuff down. All right, cool. So what we got? We got some variables here. I'm starting to get into checking JavaScript variables to see what they got in it and see what they mean in here. So let's see. Return your row separator. HTML. Catch a busted queue. I don't know what that hell that means. So let's just keep moving. All right. No other comments. So this is Smarter Mail. So now that we have a software name, what is our next step? Let's see if we can find it in our vulnerability databases. So let's go search exploit. And type in the name of that. Smarter mail. Whoops. There we go. Alright, so we got some stuff. So let's see what we got. We got smarter mail. Smarter mail. Smell the mail? Schmiegel? That word's really throwing me off. Alright, so we got smarter mail 16. Arbitrary file upload. There we go. Alright. Directory traversal, multiple vulnerabilities. You're not specific, so go screw yourself in the throat. Multiple cross-site scripting vulnerabilities. That doesn't help me either. Thank you very much. LDAP injection. There's no reason for that. I don't know why. And we got remote code execution. So this one looks a little bit snazzy. So what is this one? Alright, so this is Windows, and this is the output of the file here. Now, I already downloaded it here, and how we do that is we simply go search exploit. Once I spell it correctly, do I spell search? Yes. Do I spell exploit? Yes. Combine the two, and you get Captain Planet. No, you don't. You actually just get the word search exploit. Okay, cool. So, what we do, we hit M, not right there, dash M to mirror this path to our current place in our directory. So it's going to copy this and save it in this folder. Now, as I already said, I already grabbed it. So let's go and check it. So this is the Schmartermail build, race code execution. Now, this is Python here, right? So it's running Python 3. And, alright, let's see. So what we got is we set our host, the IP address there. We set our L host. So we got 49232. 49232, alright. And we're setting it on for our local port 445. Now, I was very confused as to some walkthroughs that I would see for some Windows machines that I would look at from like Hack the Box and stuff, where a lot of the reverse shells would say to use port 445, and I didn't really know why the hell you would do that until I learned that this is a Windows machine, and not on that tab. I can show you on not that one either. I can show you on this one. So what I've learned is that if we can see that this port is open, 445, it's essentially a Windows SMB port. Also saying that this Windows SMB port is open, which also says that it's open to communication. Meaning we can set up a listening port on our machine for the same port 445, the same one that's open here on the target, and then just use that to connect back and forth. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. Let's go back over to our exploito and see here. Let's see, this looks like it has a rando port 17001008. So this script is going to connect to this target here on this port, and it's going to take our IP with this port and say, I want to connect to you. And as I was saying previously, that 445 on their end is open, and we'll be connecting with 445 on our end. So let me STFU and show you what it do. So let's go ahead and split this. So Python 3, have that right there. Now here, let's use warp. There we go. I'm gonna use RL wrap. This allows for like history and auto completion. It's just for convenience if we get a shell that sucks. So we're gonna go ahead and use that NLVP, set our port to 445. We got it listening on there. Then we hit enter, countdown 3, 2, 1. Sorry, I was trying to time that with some grunge music I'm listening to, and look at that! We just ran our exploit and got our connection right there on port 445, connecting from our machine over on our port 445 that we're opening over to the target's port 445 that's open on their end. So now we have this blinking Koisa, and then let's see what happens if I type that. Do we get a show? Yes. Yes, we do. All right. Now we have our shell here, and we're in the System32 folder, which would mean one very dope thing, that when I type in, who am I? Damn it. I am. Oh, crap. You just blanked out on me. Okay, there we go. We are in T Authority's system. Dopeness. So, if I CD to here, CD over to the users folder, we have our administrator, we have our dean folder, our user here. CD, I think all these flags are in the desktop folder, I believe. Hit dir. And you ain't got squat up in ya. See, let's go to the administrator folder. Go to our desktop folder that it would be on, and there's our proof.txt file. We can read that by simply typing in the word type. Obviously I spelled it wrong because I'm not going to do it. All right, so that, my friends, was Algernon. Thank you, Mr. Chale. So definitely had a good time on that one. I'm going to start incorporating doing some Windows machines. Definitely switching it up here, not sticking on to Linux, so just get some variation for everybody, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to pound that like, share, and subscribe buttons. Stay updated on future content and let me know that I'm doing a good job. Thank you very much for your time. I am Shy Ronan, and I am out. Peace.